One of the things that I have found is there is been a biophilic design movement. There has been people who are interested in urban farming. They're interested in bringing gardens back home or trying to push courtyard into what used to be a front yard and a backyard experience in the 2000s. Now they're trying to say, hey, how can we connect back to nature? Oh, the wind or passive cooling is actually good for your health. Air changes in the house is good. So as we're starting to realize that we are ourselves a product of nature, and by completely isolating ourselves in the box, yes, we might be safe and we can prolong our life, but we have no experiences.